My name is Haley.
And I'm Jenna.
For our science project, we are choosing to look at the changes that a white flower petal has when you put food coloring dye into the water. White flower petals would be the best for this project because the dye would be put into the water and has a better chance of showing up. Flowers need water to live, and they drink their water through their xylem, which is a part of the stem, or through the root. When the flower is cut or has been taken out of the ground, it drinks the water through that cut. We would want to start by filling the mason jar half up and then adding 2 to 5 drops of food coloring, which our food coloring is blue, yellow, green, and red because those are the most prominent colors.
What is dye? Dye is a natural or synthetic substance used to add color to something or change the color of something. The reason that both dyes and pigment colors are changed is because they absorb only some wavelengths of visual light. Dyes are usually soluble in water, where pigments are insoluble. That is the reason why the flower continues to be white, and if you are to alter the water with different colors, then it would change the reaction of the flower system. Instead of taking in plain water and putting it into the petals, it would put color into the petals. The flowers need water in order to grow and survive, so when we are leaving it in colored water, it absorbs it and leaves the dye in the flower. As it absorbs the water and dyes into the petals, the flower petals will exhibit the most obvious color change, but the leaves and stems will also absorb the dye.
When the water is transferring, there are 3 factors that contribute. The first one is called the capillary. Inside the stem of the flower, there's a tube-like transporting tissue called the xylem. This brings nutrients and the water to different parts of the flower. The next step is the process of what the flower goes through. The water molecules aren't attracted just to the surface of the xylem, but also are attracted to the cohesion.
Throughout this process of the steps, you will slowly start finding the color shows up on white ends of the petals. This results in a suction pulling that pulls the water upwards, and therefore it will continue to bring the color out to the rest of the petal. Thank you for watching this, and hope you have a great day.